Woo! We're back, motherfucker. This time, it's gonna be the best of WRC Rally 2023. If you do enjoy the video in the end, and you do, find this video not absolutely, garbage, and you found it entertaining or whatnot, be sure to subscribe to the channel and also like the video so that I know if it was a good video or not. Also comment down below if you absolutely hated it or if you enjoyed it. Say like, great video man, thumbs up, double thumbs up, you're great, keep doing what you're doing, or just tell me to fuck off. Do any of that please, I need feedback. Yeah, let's just get into the video. Okay. Oh my. Oh! Not the fucking tree. I think some of these clips I've already seen somehow. So I don't know if I've seen half this shit. I don't think I say that though. The snow, man. Oh, that wasn't that bad, Not that bad. Nah, the same spot. I need to put a fucking gate there. Well, not a gate, like a fucking barrier or something. Look how fast they go, man. A helicopter can't even catch up. Oh, into the tree. That must feel not right. Oh. The thing is though, like with snow, is if you crash or you fly off the track, you've got so much snow to drive over that it's just friction and it slows you down. So to be honest, isn't it like safer to drive in the snow than you'd think it'd be a lot more dangerous because you've got no grip and you can just lose it at any point. But I feel like if there's just snow everywhere, you're not really gonna fly into a tree because you've got the snow to slow you down before it. Or am I an idiot? I don't know. I might just be a moron. Oh shit, man. Oh my god. Oh! That's a bush. A bush tree. I don't know what the name it was. Jesus. Oh! No! Oh, this is a sick view. Wow. Just everything like in front of the car. That was like a movie shot almost. Yeah, what happened to your... Where's it gone? Actually makes it look pretty cool though. Oh! Right. Wait a minute. We're not gonna skip past that. How the fuck did that happen? Righty. Now, how does one... Wait, I don't even understand how they've even gotten it through like that. Okay, maybe... Wait, what? Wait, this is like an optical illusion. How the fuck has that happened? I feel like it's smashed into the car. It's not actually gone through it. And this is just blocking the view so that you can't see it. Because there's no way it's gone through the car, right? Well, I'm going to save my brain cells and we're just going to continue. Oh, did he stall the car? What a noob. Oh! I love the public or the people up there. Yeah, the co-driver must be so like angry at the driver. Like, how the fuck did you crash? They must be pissed off the time. Oh my god. Look at the speed. That sound is so, like, it's so rally. What is that sound of, like, when they stop accelerating and they, like, kind of like, I'm just going to pause it. What do they call that sound? Like, I don't know how you do it, like, but you know that sound when they, like, let off the accelerator and they, like, keep on pressing it, slow, like, a few times? Or is that even what they're doing? I think that's what they're doing, and it's making that sound. What is that sound? It's really weird. I'm going to put a clip here of it. I don't actually know what that comes from. Is it just like the transmission or something? Or like the gearbox that does that? Like, it's so rally. Like, it's only rally cars that make that sound. So I feel like it is something to do with how the rally cars are made. It might be the suspension or something like that. Yeah, it could actually be the suspension. I don't know, if you know in the comments, be sure to let me know, right? Inform me. Oh shit, a bit too much. Oh wow. Days, man. Jesus. Damn. Oh. Overshot it a bit. That was sick. Jeez. Oh, calm it down, boy. Calm it down. He just keeps on going. That's what I love about it. They can do mistakes and like fuck up. Just keep on going. Oof, that was a nice shot. That was nice. Oh, I've seen that one before. Some of these clips I've seen in a different video. That is a lot of dust. Just have to hold on, man. Jesus. Oh. I love that. I'm going to use that as my fucking alarm clock. Holy shit, that helicopter's a little low. Do the helicopters usually crash or something? Like, does that sometimes happen when the helicopter crashes? They're flying so low. Holy shit. Look how he's just... he's thrown it around. Ooh. Oh! Saved! I thought it was going off that. Immediately. Just flying off that cliff. Oof. Jesus. Oh! Oh! Oh wow, this is... Whoa! That is cool. Through the tunnel. Oof. Oh my god. I thought he was hauling ass, and then he just gets clipped, and then they just cut to that image. That was funny. Oh my, look at the dust below. They just threw it. Oh! Wait, what? Wait, what? Wait. I don't get it. Where did it come from? What the f***?
Johnny Houteren and Kalle
Are they the champions of the year? What? Craig. Is he a driver who passed away, or? Holy shit, man. These videos, man, they always give me that type of thrill you need. That's gonna be it for me today. If you have any other rally videos and you know, motorsport videos, or you know, whatever to request, then be sure to let me know down in the comments, and I will hopefully add it into my watch list in the future. I'm gonna leave it there so that this video doesn't get too long, because no one wants a drawn out and you know, too long video. I don't, so I'm gonna cut it here. Hope you did enjoy. As always, stay safe, and I'll hopefully see you in my next up and coming video coming out soon.